Welcome to the Online Business AMA podcast, the podcast where I answer your most pressing questions about building and growing a successful online business. I'm your host, Lauren Diana, certified business strategist and coach, here to give you the clarity, support, and strategies you need to thrive. Let's dive into today's question. Hey there, and welcome to the first episode of the Online Business AMA podcast. I'm glad you're here. Today we're diving into a question from Beth, who's feeling a bit stuck when it comes to re-engaging her email list after being away for a while. It's a challenge many entrepreneurs face, so let's unpack this. Beth asked, I've ignored my email list for months and feel overwhelmed about re-engaging. What should I do? Beth, first, take a breath. It's completely normal to feel this way, especially when you've stepped away from your list for a while. The key here is to approach it strategically and avoid feeling like you need to make up for lost time all at once. So start small and keep it simple. The first step is to reconnect without overwhelming yourself or your subscribers. A good way to begin is with a reintroduction email. Let your audience know you're back, be transparent about your time away, and most importantly, share what they can expect moving forward. You don't need to explain everything, just give them a clear sense of what's coming next, like consistent updates or valuable insights that they signed up for. Consistency is key, so aim for regular touch points that your audience can rely on. Whether you commit to weekly or bi-weekly, start with a manageable frequency that you can maintain. You're not trying to flood their inboxes, but rather you're reestablishing trust through steady, valuable communication. Also, don't feel pressured to craft the perfect email. These emails don't need to be overly long or filled with tons of content. Some of my most engaging emails were less than 100 words. So your audience isn't expecting a grand re-entry. They're just looking for connection and authenticity with a touch of value. So start with one step, send that first email, and from there you'll regain momentum. Keep your focus on adding value to your audience and the rest will follow. And don't worry if you get a lot of unsubscribes once you start doing this. That's totally normal, and that's exactly what you want. Unengaged subscribers cost you money, and you only want those that care about what you have to offer to actually stick around. So good luck on diving back in. Thanks for tuning in to today's episode. I hope you found it helpful for your business. If you've got a question you'd like answered, just head on over to onlinebusinessama.com to submit yours, and it might be featured in an upcoming episode. See you next time. Want to learn more about growing your business online? Are you a coach or course creator who's looking to sell out your programs and courses? Learn more by visiting laurendiana.me.